Ang isang single mom. So, marami kasing single moms ngayon. Parang, they are, looking for, parang opinions. Ano naman yung masasabi mo sa kanila na nagkaroon ka ng matinding pagsubok? Paano mo na-raise yung children mo?
It wasn't easy talaga to be a single mom. Hindi siya madali. You will always feel tired, exhausted. Talagang nandun ka sa edge na gusto mo na sumuko kasi you never feel na may kasama ka, may suporta ka, may tulong, wala. You will always do things alone. Nang ikaw lang mag-isa. Diba? Kaya pag nakakita ko ng couple, nainggit ako, sabi ko, wow, sana all. Diba? Pero you know what I've learned when I get to know the Lord. Sabi ko, may partner pala ako. And that is the Lord. So, yun siguro yung advice ko sa mga single moms like me. Never feel that you're alone because God is our partner in life.
Yes.
Na talagang sa Kanya mo iiyak, sa Kanya mo ikwento, anong nararamdaman mo. And may promise ng Lord sa mga single moms that He will really provide for everything that we need. Diba? Tapos yung mga anak natin, they are not just children or child, they are child of God. And they are warrior. You're raising a warrior. Imagine mo naman. Kaya nga sabi ko, wala akong dapat ikahiya kasi my children are my greatest blessings. Hindi ko talaga pinagsisihan to raise them. And because of them, I became responsible. Doon ako sobrang proud.
Kasi before, parang you're not that responsible.
Yeah.
Na parang,
grabe yung mga decisions ko in life.
Parang nagpapasaway ka.
Yeah.
Na akala mo yun yung tama.
Yes.
Diba?
Wala kasing nag-feed sa akin or nag-guide sa akin. So, being fatherless, kasi simula nang nakilala ko ng Lord, siya yung naging father ko talaga. So, nagkaroon ng direction.
Yes.
So, advice ko lang din siguro sa mga father na it's really important to be a good leader in the family.
Yes.
Kasi that's where you will guide your wife, your children, diba? Importante talaga siya.
And also, yun nga, syempre pag minahal natin si Lord, kailangan din natin mahalin yung sarili natin.
Exactly.
Kasi tayo yung way or yung congruency. Tayo yung daan for the blessings to other people, di ba?